Hello, my name is Angelita Hernandez Gutierrez and I am the principal at Dodines Elementary. Welcome. We are a dual language campus. What does that mean? It means that students get the opportunity to learn in both their native language, Spanish, and of course, English. As students progress through the grades and ultimately graduate with the seal of biliteracy, they become more marketable and have more opportunities because they will be fluent in two languages. We are excited to show you our beautiful campus. Welcome to Dodines Elementary.
Hi, I'm Haley Flores, a current 4th grader at John Dodines Elementary. I started my educational journey here as a pre-K4 student. For the last 6 years, my family has felt confident that Dodines has and will continue to prepare me for my academic success in the future. The staff and teachers are my family away from home. They make me feel cared for and safe every day at school. Follow me as we take a sneak peek of all the great opportunities my school has to offer. One of the greatest things about Dodines Elementary is our little Einstein Science Lab. Our little Einstein Lab is designed for our lower grade students who go there to study inquiry and learn about the world around them through hands-on experience. The little Einsteins are currently working on life cycles, learning about science, and preparing for all that STEM has to offer. One of the newest additions to our school is the Da Vinci and Cado Art Studio. This is a unique space where students can visit to create art while focusing on social-emotional learning. And lastly, at Dodines Elementary, we have our amazing music program. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Dodines Elementary. Hope to see you soon. Bye!